Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I recently acquired this 1997 Lincoln Towncar after my grandfather passed away, and it's got a few little things wrong with it that I want to start working on. And the first thing that come to my attention that needs to be fixed is this trunk. Now, the trunk itself has this gap because it's got this actuator motor in it that when you shut it barely, it's supposed to take it and pull the trunk down, but the mechanism's broken in this trunk, and I want to get this fixed. And I looked up online how to bypass it, and we're about to figure that out now, so stick around. Alright, so I've already took and worked on the little piece of insert here and took it off. So what we're going to be looking at is this part here. This is the little actuator that has went out. Now you're supposed to be able to hit this, like the top part of the latch here hits this piece, and it's supposed to make this lower, and it's stuck in the up position. So what we're going to do is take this actuator out and then jump the motor with two pieces of wires to the contacts here, figure out which polarity makes this piece that connects to the top of the lid go down, and it'll just stay down and function as a normal trunk. Drop the screws somewhere, but here's a little switch. And it tells this part to go up and down. So we're going to take this out and bypass it fully. Camera, that works too. Damn it. I dropped the camera. Still like I need you to. I'm attempting to put these little wires connected to here on the post, so then I'm going to stick them into where these are until this thing goes down. So that actually worked. I was able to get it to go down a good fair bit. Now let's see how it fits whenever I shut the trunk. Alright. I went down too far. I gotta raise it up a little bit. So now, if I slam the trunk, it stays even. Which is really cool. So, that is awesome. Very, very awesome. Very awesome.